Hi, today at Entrepreneur APAC, we have with us Mr. Martin Tang, co-founder and partner, Genesis Alternative Ventures. Martin, thank you so much for talking with us today at Entrepreneur. So Martin, tell me more about the fund and at what stage it is in and what kind of companies do you typically invest in?
We are a Singapore-based venture debt fund that focus on providing growth debt, growth capital to Series B and onwards company in Southeast Asia and as well as companies in Asia that are looking to do business in Southeast Asia.
And can you share more about the kind of companies you've invested in and typically they are from which countries?
Sure. So we generally look at late Series A and onwards companies that have raised 1 or 2 rounds of equity from VCs or private equity investors. In general, we are sector agnostic. So like I mentioned, we invest across B2B, direct to consumer, consumer brands, logistics, some software companies, fintech, insurtech. So as long as there is VC or PE validation, we are there to provide that growth capital.
And any sunrise sectors wherein you feel that, okay, the next set of investments will flow in more there?
Well, everyone talks about AI these days. So we see a lot of AI, but I think it's important not to get caught up in the hype. Important to see where AI, the value proposition of the company, are they AI enabled or are they really providing a groundbreaking AI solution? The other bread and butter trends we're seeing are really about reversion to sustainability. Is it a solid business model? So we care a lot about business model. So you can have trending FOMO types of business model that we see will not be sustainable i.e. has always needs to be underwritten by equity. We tend to shy away from those. We want companies that in the foreseeable future, 2 to 3 years, can grow into a mid-cap and into a company that really provides value and that does not need to rely on just purely equity because they would have been profitable or have access to more debt. Those are the types of companies we really want to be backing.
And quickly before we end, any 3-piece advice to founders who are pitching to you? I mean, what all do you look for in a pitch?
It can't be said more. Be prepared. So I've had founders who come to me looking for an equity check when I'm providing debt. So founders really need to be prepared, do their homework, and also understand the decision-making process of a fund. Sometimes it is not just the partner you're talking to, but the partner's IC process. So founders need to understand that funds are like they're institutions. So investment criteria processes are more or less enshrined, and it's very hard to say to a Series A fund like invest in me, I'm an angel company. So you need to find the right type of investor for the right stage of where this company is at.